Hi guys, this is me, Jesse, and today I went to GameStop and I got 84 bucks. So I got a couple Skylanders and I got this thing on the battery, so yeah. Okay, I got this. I got Hothead, Chill, and I've been looking for a long time. Light Core Shroomboom, Light Core Prison Break, and Sprocket. I'm going to unbox Shield first. What? So, ow. And here's Chill. Snowflake right there. I know it's kind of blurry, but and now we will Shroomboom. I'm gonna make another video on the unboxing. Stuff like her. I can't. No, that's my mom who just walked behind me. Here's a light core Shroomboom. It has a metallic card. You can see right there. Very, very nice. I like it. And I guess he's gonna light up. My first Shroomboom, so that's what he's up. For no reason. And there's Shroomboom. His eye glows, and I think his right there glows the slingshot. And okay, guys, I'm gonna be making another video in a little bit. So please make a thumbs up. No thumbs down. Two thumbs up. And subscribe. And no comment below. Bye.